colors that tells us the name. It is what is on top of the umbrella. There's a symbol of big umbrellas in this area, but it is not the colors that tells us the name. It is what is on top of the umbrella. There's a symbol on top of the umbrella that the umbrella gives the name of a particular umbrella. And our name is several. If I can see very well, I can give you one of the names of the umbrella. You are a graceful queen. Nana Uye Papa. Let me take this opportunity to give you a quick explanation why the ivory trumpets are in groups of 7. For the Ashanti, 7 is a spiritual number. 7 is very, very powerful. So all the ivory trumpets are in groups of 7. There's the lead one who calls them, and then there's another group within